Oh! Crazy sidewalks. Oh, it's nice out though, it's cold. Cold and refreshing. I love the winter more than the summer. Andy, you'll have to come down, visit soon, you know? Or I'll come up there, just like we said, you know? It'll just be like the end of that movie we were talking about there with Morgan Freeman and I can't think of it. The prison one. Dead Red Redemption? Is that what? Oh, my brain. Never mind. I gotta figure out how to make this camera less jittery at nighttime. If anyone has any pointers on that. I'm doing all the manual settings and I don't really know what I'm doing. Mm-hmm. Someone's hat. It's actually kind of cool. Homemade. Better than the one I just bought. I should just take that one. Put the one I bought there. Oh, this is pretty cool. Mine looks like a potato sack. Check that out. Just brown. Extra hairy. Oh. No, I used to do that all day long. Drove my mom insane. We were growing up, Beavis and Butthead. He still does it, and he's 40. Sky's nice, pink. Jeepers. Yeah, or I'd like to get up to see Andy. Go to Arizona. This place is cool. It's for sale not long ago. It's an old fire warehouse thing. They stored fire equipment in it. But it is awesome. Me and Noah both wanted to buy it. It actually was going for $1 million, but it sold for $600,000, which is, I would have bought it. One to $649. Easy. Well, I really know how to make the most boring videos, Andy. But that's not what this is about, my friend. It's about caffeine and walking. Endless caffeine. Endless strolling about. He's the same way. Walking back and forth. To Ollie's coffee shop back in the day, 2009. Oh, Andy, we've been friends for a long time, and we've never met. But we'll change that soon, pal. My new passport's in the mail. Good night.